In this session, we focus on the execution of technical skills training, the essential bridge between service strategy and operational reality. Modern hospitality is powered by technology, and no high-level service strategy can succeed without rigorous system mastery at the ground level. Technical proficiency provides the primary mechanism for executing the hotel's commercial strategy, turning abstract goals into tangible guest experiences. This requirement defines Phase 2 technical skills training. It is an intensive, hands-on module, mandatory for all staff, from reservation agents to food and beverage cashiers. To achieve the necessary fluency, this phase mandates dedicated, uninterrupted time spent inside a specialized training center. Our analysis centers on the three critical operational systems required to run the property management system, the point of sale, and customer relationship management. Without unified fluency across these systems, individual departmental excellence remains isolated and invisible to the guest. Behind the physical lobby, a modern hotel operates on a constant, invisible flow of data, moving between every department on property. The property management system, or PMS, serves as the central nervous system for this data, acting as the absolute source of truth for the hotel. For the front office, PMS training centers on rate loading and the intricacies of inventory management. Staff must also master check-in and check-out procedures, the posting of charges, and the management of detailed guest profiles. Housekeeping supervisors focus on a different set of PMS functions, primarily the rapid update of room statuses. They also log and track maintenance requests through the system to ensure every room is mechanically ready for guest arrival. HR must ensure the PMS training environment is fully populated with realistic dummy data, including fake guest profiles and live rate codes. This high-fidelity simulation mimics the real-world friction and data density of a live hotel environment. Theoretical training fails in hospitality. Staff must practice navigating a system that is already filled with the complexities of daily operations. Training in a realistic environment prepares staff for the pressure and chaos of a live hotel opening. We move next to the point of sale, or POS system, which is crucial for all food and beverage, spa, and retail staff. Mastery of the POS ensures revenue integrity and maintains the speed of service required in a high-pressure environment. Technical training focuses first on the mechanical accuracy of order entry. Staff must learn to navigate complex modifier pathways, accurately recording dietary restrictions and specific guest requests. Training also covers intricate transactional mechanics, such as the protocol for correctly splitting guest checks. Effective training ensures staff can correctly close a POS check and route it to the PMS for room charging without errors. HR is also responsible for validating security SOPs during this module. This includes ensuring every employee uses a unique PIN for every transaction they process. All staff must demonstrate absolute adherence to the property's strict cash handling procedures. The POS functions as the frontline defensive perimeter for the hotel's revenue picture and financial security. As guests move through the physical spaces of the hotel, their specific preferences and daily interactions form a continuous data trail. Managing this data requires the Customer Relationship Management System, or CRM, used by sales, marketing, and all guest-facing staff. The CRM acts as the centralized repository for guest preference data and total communication history. Training is split into two imperatives, beginning with data capture. Staff are trained to log every guest interaction and stated preference with absolute consistency. The second, parallel imperative, is data utilization. Utilization is the process of using that stored information to personalize the guest experience. For example, by noting a preferred coffee type in the CRM, the F&B team can proactively provide it on the guest's next visit. This loop of disciplined capture and active utilization is what makes the CRM effective. CRM mastery allows a large-scale operation to deliver the intimate, personalized service typically associated with a boutique property. At this stage, all three systems, PMS, POS, and CRM, must work in unified synchronization. The culmination of Phase 2 training is a joint effort between HR leadership and the IT team. They must conduct final technical competency assessments across every department on property. These assessments are purely objective, focusing on measurable results rather than participation. Staff must meet strictly defined benchmarks for both operational speed and transactional accuracy on live systems. This rigor is a foundational element of the operational and technical excellence programs established at the Europe Hotel School, London. This commitment to system fluency recognizes technology as the primary enabler of a hotel's commercial and service goals. Mastering these digital tools is the final step before the physical property can begin operations. System proficiency is the mandatory, non-negotiable prerequisite for advancing to a soft opening.